바된 점배원 본향의 매배종 이문 미세 주배 뒤지 대점네 수근님으로 양당원으로 장조바 돈바 샤제조 야라 그자 사람 다음은 내가 가서 점부도바 또 많이게 가지게 점부도바 늘어지세요 가지 lep쇼 네, 양 가서양 저서 보내는 전부도 뭐 레신도 눈도 마송 다들 추 마시고 공들라 전부도 마티 네 샤기.
There were a few people who came to me and who have asked me to give the refuge vow. And yesterday we decided that we would have the refuge vow. So before I begin the Dharma teaching, I will give the refuge vow. Now the Rinpoches, the Lamas and the Trulkus and the monks and nuns have all already received the refuge vow, so they do not need to take it again. Now among the lay people, most of you have already received the refuge vow, and you do not need to repeat after me. So I would like to ask those who have not yet taken the refuge vow to please repeat after me. And we do not have enough time to do the long refuge vow, so I will do a very short version. So please repeat these words. Now the way you should think when we are repeating the words is like this. You should think that the only one who can protect you from suffering along with the causes of suffering, the only refuge from them, is the Bhagavan Buddha. And so please think to yourself that you are going for refuge to the Buddha in order to be protected or liberated from suffering and its causes. And the way that he protects us from suffering is by teaching the Dharma, and so for that reason we go for refuge to the Dharma. And the basis or the foundation for the Dharma to remain a long time in the world is the Sangha, and so for this reason we go for refuge to the Sangha. Please repeat.
장죽, 선바, 예, 소라, 황, 대신,教授, 시, 장죽, 닝보, 시제, 바르, 상제, 남라,教授, 시, 최당, 장죽, 선바 예 초라 앙 대신 dabsu che changju nyingboru cheje par sangje namla dabsu che chodang changju sanba ye chola ang 대신 dabsu che 다장도 도바 사바토가 민대고 민대도 지만 돼요. 지만 파쇼 돼요.
And so those of you who have taken, I need to give names to those who have taken the refuge vow for the first time, and we will do that tomorrow.
내가 없어야 가진다다 중심서당 방송 제바 최신 제바 조당 렌즈도 삼부 동행도be 다시요
And so in the short term, may you be free of all adversity and obstacles. May you accomplish your wishes in accord with the Dharma. Now think to yourself that no matter what, you must bring all sentient beings, all of our mothers who are as limitless as space, to the state of completely perfect Buddhahood. And it is for this purpose that we are listening to the Dharma. And in this way, please listen with the motivation of bodhicitta.
Namo Bhagavate Sumeru Kalpa Ranjaya Tadhagataya Arhate Samyak Sambuddhaya Tathayatha Kalpe Kalpe Mahakalpe
Kalpe Bare Shodane Soha
Ngoi Tumbe Mulam Gecho Mecho Jeba Jeje Maya Jegyuroj Gezan Jila Zeba Tashi Zobe Sanje Dongla Sheba Dorje Chachi Delo Naro Marpa Mela Cheje Gambo Tesum Keba Droge Yase Kaju Lama Namla Cheba
나들은 까지 뭐람 니 당보니 뭐다 만족 된들 되네 이제 배수도 먼저 배지 우지 시중 오상생이 저들아 나 뭐람라 스쿠구스인데 배대요.
Today, on the first day of our Kaji Mulam, in an unplanned coincidence, the leader of us Tibetans, Sikyong Lobsan Sengye, has come to see the Mulam. And the fact that he has come to see the Mulam today is something that all of us around the world who are followers of the Gyalwang Karmapa should take great happiness and joy in. And so please, all of you, thinking that this is a great opportunity, please be happy and celebrate this. Now, the Dharma that we are listening to today is by Karak Gongchung. In Tibet, it is said that there are two great beings who devoted their life and worked to samadhi meditation. And these, the greatest ones doing this were Milarepa and Karak Gongchung.
Karak Gongchung Gongge Tambo Gomba Sunam Janse Yabajiki Trumne, then Dhamma Samu, Ba Masiba Mambu Shune, then Gomjun Yamin Sebare.
So Karak Gongchung first received many different pith instructions from Gompa Sunam Gyatsen, and then went to do meditation.
Jesu Gomba Baso, so Lama Kashayore. Gomba Balaso, Lama Namji Dune, Jojini Gibe, Lojunga Banga, Mambo Nyamso Sene, Kenege Nyamlenze Bari.
After that, he went to many different lamas, including Gompawa, and he received from them primarily the instructions on mind training from Atisha, which he then practiced. And he combined all of these instructions, and then undergoing a lot of hardships to practice, he came to the ultimate end of practice. And the place where he did his practice was a cave called the Karap Shuncheng cave, and he did a long retreat there practicing.
Now
he had many students to whom he gave his instructions and his pith instructions on how to practice. And among these many different students, the primary one was Potoa, to whom he gave these instructions, and it is from Potoa that these instructions have been passed down.
눈주자니 요래 이거 눈주자니 되게 내공 송래.
And among the teachings of his that have been passed down are this teaching, the mind training, the 72 exhortations. So this is one of his teachings, the 72 exhortations.
다 대양들라 다로 까지 모양 가서 아니 두주자니 바니 쇼쇼 송네 장가마 바 주든바 우젠천년도지 좋게 되네 나라가 나네 가서 난 지우도 가서 펼춤 대성장 다 되게 나랑 게자 나빼메다 신사 말해도 다 지금도 두잠지 쇼인.
And so this year I received a request from His Holiness the 17th Gyalwang Karmapa Orjin Chunle Dorje to teach these 72 exhortations during the Kagyu Munla. Now, I will not be able to give too extensive explanations about them, but I will explain them in brief.
다은데 시에버리 제발라 다도말 되네 주동나 보조게 송태양 자와 상시 정된데게 나 송아 때네 송샤바 샤다레.
Now, in teaching this, in general, the teachings or the words of the Mahasiddhas are all based fundamentally upon the teachings or the words of the Bhagavan Buddha.
되네 조배 상시 정된데게 추송에 내가 탐제라 되네 상시 정된데게 추송족에 등무마인데 제주 도마를 개와 바도 개와 타마를 개와 통다 발숨도 개와 숨지고네
And on all of the occasions when the completely perfect Buddha taught the Dharma, he always taught the Dharma, the Buddha always taught the Dharma, first with it being a virtue in the beginning, then being virtue in the middle, and virtue in the end. So this is the way that he taught it on every occasion that he taught the Dharma.
나도인데 내인데 되는 데라 다한주 취시에 갑자기 통다 발송도 내가 숨지고네 시고 말해.
And so for that reason, when we teach the Dharma, we also need to teach it in the way that it is virtue in the beginning, middle, and end.
대양 나 통물개와 네세 네 지금들아 라마 남라 차안살로서 라마 남라 차안살로서.
Now, the words for the line that teaches the place, that being good or virtue in the beginning, is the line at the beginning, I prostrate to the Gurus.
다 대양 심진 탐지게 라마 통마를 줄바다 초도 줄바테 상제 좀 된대래.
Now, the first and the greatest Lama for all sentient beings is the Bhagavan Buddha.
다 대양 상제 좀 된대 되니 심진 탐지게 라마 인도 출양 도지jenle 시와문제가 tuk자남 nyamdandora mezuku shebanashim 상제 좀 된대 되네 semjen nangle 장다 초도 저배 장 년조다 왕상제 시위인수 고바 시위인수 냠바 쇼스바 부모하미 인수 냠바 쇼스바 아세레 부모하미 시위인수 냠바 쇼스니 쇼데바 대양 상제 좀 된대게 토긴세션 유너리 되게 짬린제니 휴요래 가르스나 되네 방자 사상야 방투비야 말이라 또자 타르신바야 또 두비야 말이 대양 상제 좀 된대게 짜버린세 말이.
And so when the Bhagavan Buddha taught the Dharma and all the gurus as well, it is as it is said in the ornament of the sutra. Even those who have achieved peace in the higher realms are to be taught by the Buddha. And the reason is that the Buddha said that among all sentient beings, among the greatest of sentient beings are the Shravaka, Arhats, and the Pratyeka Buddhas. They have achieved the state of peace. And yet still the Buddha teaches the Dharma to them. They have achieved the state where they have gone into the nirvana without any remainder, and yet they are still recipients of the Buddha's teachings. The reason why is because they have not abandoned all of the discards or all of the obscurations that must be abandoned, nor have they developed all of the realization.
대장도 마세 바 전수선 바 나사 주발라 쇼바 데네 잠바양당 전수선 바 군두선도로 소바 따고 예나양 데네 상계 좀 된데 따고 데네 방도 용수 줘요 말이 두공 용수 줘요 말이 대양 데네 방도 다르신 바당 양랑게 공바 용수 누번세 바데 상제라 잡는 세고 바데 대탐제 개장 잡는 라마를 줘봐 저그 상제 좀 된대래.
Not only them, also the bodhisattvas, the great bodhisattvas who dwell on the 10th bodhisattva levels, such as Manjushri or Samantabhadra, also go for the refuge to the Buddha. And the reason for this is that they have not yet developed the qualities of abandonment or realization like a Buddha. They have not fulfilled their own wishes. And so in order to achieve those complete qualities of abandonment and realization and to fulfill their wishes, they also go for refuge to the Buddha.
대다고 되는 장조선바당 다정바 신보남도 장 잡는데나 다 말한다고 녀몽바게 좀 탐지해 봐다 무슨 건도 하다고 동안 뻗도 못 봐요 남지장 잡는 봐다 시험하고 봐 내마고 봐 그래요.
And so if such great bodhisattvas and such great arhats as they also take the Buddha as their source of refuge, then it's hardly necessary to mention that people like us who have all of the faults of the afflictions and who are afflicted by all the different types of suffering need to go for refuge to the Buddha as well.
도마르게베 수도 추 현계당 년에 탐지게 고좀 거바신 차살게 도바시 거바래.
And so for that reason, everyone who is teaching and listening to the Dharma first at the beginning of the teaching as the virtue in the beginning must prostrate to the Bhagavan Buddha.
다음도 마세 바다 나랑도 까지 바다불라 천나 때로다 나로 말반 밀라 더불라 속에 까지 쓰리 정화리 버치베 주도나 봐 소양 되네 상제 뭐다 라일라 말에 되나마야 무슨 그 받친 차살베 누바제 그 말에.
And not only to the Buddha, also for us Kajupas, for example, we also need to prostrate with our body, speech, and mind and go for refuge to the great beings such as Tilopa, Naropa, Marpa, Milarepa, and Gampopa, and all of the Mahasiddhas who have appeared over time, who are all of the gurus who are like Buddhas.
대담 되네 두승차 발라서베 정원 까마바 꾸리를 버쳐봐 나나야 너무 그 받친 차원살은 사고 말해.
We also need to prostrate to and go for refuge to Dusum Khenpa and all of the incarnations of the Gyalwang Karmapa.
대신도 조제당 dom도 발라서베 까담기베 라마 남당 다른 데게 더를 값을 받을 주인도 숨바고 거라 공중 되네 롭주당 제발라양 자사베 메바체 고바레 송레
We also need to think to ourselves that we are going for refuge and prostrating to Atisha and Dromtumpa and all of the masters of the Kadampa lineage, as well as to Karab Gongchung and his lineage of disciples.
대제소 신이 노르부 린젠당 예담라당 건조숨 두개 젠도 효소소 리세 다라라 나라바숨 당겐게 라마라 신인세르바 대위 신인
Then the text continues, Precious jewel and spiritual friend, Yidam deities and three jewels, I supplicate you, be my crown jewel. And so the spiritual friend means the person who gives us the three trainings, the guru who gives us the three trainings.
나야 뭐 대양 동마 라바 주름지 라바 개개게 동바담 결혼 개줄게 동바로 소바 라바 주름지 라바 동바난게게 라마 당
And so this first of all means the lamas who give us the superior training and discipline. This would be the vows of the layperson or the novice or bhikshu vows. So this is the spiritual friend who gives us the superior training and discipline.
대제람 담비 추송네 되네 담비 추돈 똑바로 제베게 시럽지 나와 기브른 세바 제베 아빠데 라마스 라바 시럽지 라바 기브른 세베 라마스 신예.
Then following that, there are the lamas who teach us the Dharma so that we can develop the light of prajna that can know the meaning of the Dharma. And so these are the lamas who teach us the superior training in prajna.
대제소 망게 줄라 되네 라바 띵인생 라바 치주 나니 띵인생 줄라
And then following this, it means the lamas or the gurus who teach us the superior training in samadhi, so that we develop samadhi within our beings, also to these gurus. And so the spiritual friends who teach us these trainings are like precious jewels. So in the world, one of the most valuable things is a wish-fulfilling jewel that can give us all of the abundance and wish everything we wish for. And so this is the wish-fulfilling jewel. So they are like the wish-fulfilling jewel as an analogy. And they are actually even greater than the jewel. The lamas are actually greater than a wish-fulfilling jewel. So as I just mentioned, these are the lamas who produce the three trainings, or who make us produce the three trainings within our beings, and ultimately bring us to achieve the results, the state of Buddhahood. And so these are the spiritual friends.
조배상제 탐제 집에 공방 루번세베게 예외신이 림보셨다고 대당하세요.
And so when they bring us to realize this is different than the happiness, worldly happiness of having many enjoyments and prosperity. That is not the ultimate happiness. The ultimate happiness is the happiness of completely perfect Buddhahood and omniscience. And so these are the spiritual friends who bring us to achieve this. So we are supplicating them.
대당 다 랑라 왕토밤 랑기 루베 이람지라.
And then following that are the Yidam deities, the ones for whom you have received the empowerment or whom you practice.
다 대양 다다다 특별신부 출고라 휴네 어바메당 제레세당 잠발양로서바 랑라 왕톱제 탐제 랑게 이담블라레.
So these are all the Yidam deities whom we have, once we have entered the gate of the Mahayana, we have received their empowerments, such as Amitabha, Avalokiteshvara, Manjushri, and so forth.
왕톱제 탐제게 나회장 대녀랑게 뭐가 양라메 까나와 가이나 양 가시 어바메 좀게 가시 제해서 좀 배워서 뭐랑게 두바테 되네 애담볼하게 쏘다고 그래.
And in addition to those for whom we received the empowerments, there are the ones for whom we have particular devotion, or whom our guru has instructed us to practice. So it might be Amitabha or Avalokiteshvara. These are the deities whom we practice, and they are our primary Yidam deities.
예담자라당 다제를 타르바당 탐제 경험 등등인게 탐제기 짬내 공조는 봐 손보.
And it is also a supplication to the general, what is generally the ultimate, what all of us who seek liberation and omniscience take refuge in, the three jewels.
언제 나랑게 리게는 토슈 거의 지우쭉 대라 되네
Now, in our body, the highest part of our body is the top or the crown of our head. So we ask them to stay there as the form of a crown jewel.
지우쪽도 쇼네 대략한 게 능하 예수인데 땀내 넘버 속에 capjo도 수네 문자를 높아진 거래.
And so once we have taken them as the crown ornament, our body, speech, and mind have come under the refuge or protection of these three sources of refuge, and they are inseparable from that.
내년한 게 리그 토슈지 쪽도 되는 짬내 탐제 효과 겁나 랑자완대당 서랍 탐제도 되네 네 민로와 신회장 랑 제발도 연전 체와 선전 신 탐제래장 랑 중세 되네 연전 체와 당 소람 체와 여봐 되는 중에 그 던질 요래.
And when we meditate upon or visualize them above the highest part of our body, the crown of our head, then within this lifetime and in all of our lifetimes, this will distinguish us or distinguishes us from all other sentient beings. We will have slightly higher qualities. We will have somewhat higher qualities than other people and a higher merit. And so this is makes the interdependent connection for that to happen.
지금 그 견도 짬내 넘어서 흉내 되네 다 지금 왕도 전화 동아 주도 제발에 잡도 소리 제발 봐. 다음 노래양 로중되게 양 잡좀 메시지 시켜요.
And so when they are staying above the crown of our head as our crown ornaments, then in general we are asking them to protect us from all suffering. But in the mind training, we also have a particular supplication.
더 강한 잡아서는 처음에서 몰라 생소소르세. 다랑게 생각나네 되네 삼로 모르는 거 같은데 맞아런다다 차도온다 텐데 맞아르게 셈다 차도 없음 텐데 생각나라 요나 다 얘게 맞아르다 차도 되되세 대랑게랑라 맞는 팀이 하고는 못사예리 대 미미하고요 말이 대왕께서 하고요 말데 랑게랑라 대 모사가 매봤다 부채니 배니 샤샤가요래 대라 처음이지 셈세.
And so that particular request is, as it says, please look upon, please consider, or please look upon my shameless mind. So within our minds, we have many inappropriate thoughts. We might have thoughts of pride or of envy. And when we have pride or envy in our minds, then other people cannot necessarily see them. But if they could see them, we'd be embarrassed. We'd be embarrassed of our pride. But other people are not actually able to see it. And yet within our own mind, if we don't show it, we are not embarrassed of it. We hide it within ourselves. And so this is what is called here my shameless mind.
다 되게 셈데 진짜 경험을 수하고 그래서는 랑게 셈데 랑라 꼬도 못 줘봐래. 셈생에 랑랑 리기래 하고 그래. 대대는 랑게 하고 그래. 이제 나랑가는 뭐 마사되고 들이 쪼이면 본도 단데 느끼는데 되게 되는 매바서에 제도 빵투베 제도 내가 생수소에 되는 랑게 쪼이는데 무슨 또 때네 다 매바서에 탑재되어 그래.
Now, the person who knows that we have these faults in our minds is ourselves. Our mind is not hidden from ourselves. We know our own minds. We are aware of and know our own minds. And so when we are aware of that, if we are embarrassed or ashamed of that, then we can see that there are faults, and we think to ourselves that we need to get rid of these faults. We need to discard the faults. So we're saying, please look at our faults. We will show them to you directly. We will not hide them. Please help us get rid of these faults.
되네 응벌 침비기 신수소 소르세 다 되다고 상제당 주독 넘버 속에 응벌 침비기 대생기 경제 신의 생기 스기를 봐 정해 삼라 신수소르세.
And so we're asking them, please look upon my shameless mind with your clairvoyant powers. The Buddhas and the great Mahasiddhas all have clairvoyant powers and are able to see our minds. And so we're asking them, please look upon my shameless mind.
랑게 셈데 균되기 땡도 되네 랑게 균주 제네 나라서베 술도 숨가래다와.
And so the way that Karak Gonchung is teaching the Dharma here is that it is within our own faulty minds. We need to see the faults and remedy them.
나에 대해서 처음에 소부 수술이게 처음에로도 삼바라 아지. 랑게 셈게 균게 담배 치우당 가라와래. 담배 치우당 가라와. 당아절당 저도로서 봐. 담배 치우당 가라와. 담배 치우 매봐. 이게 디바진 따고 셈세 주미.
And so this continues, it says, for phony practitioners who lack dharma and of shameless, wrong intentions. So here, our own mind has faults. These faults are exclusive of the dharma. These are faults such as pride, envy, and so forth. And when we have these faults of pride, envy, or so forth, we lack dharma in our mind. These are wicked or wrong thoughts.
Jomebe, Sobo, Chilan Chuba, Taro Cheba, Taro Cheba, Chilan Chuba, Taro Chene, Chuba in the Sulu Chene, Chuji, Yubi Sulu Dabu Chene, they are so Yimba, the Bama Hindi Sutabaiba, Chusul Kane.
And so these are phony, we're phony practitioners. So it's like charlatans or phony practitioners who are acting as if we have dharma. And this is for such people.
Tell me, Lodo, Samba, Allah, Rangi, Yoba, Kintela, Rangi, Kimba, Mazamne, Tambe Chico, Matopeke, Tumuku Kyondam. Then Najaldam, Traudodam, Dunula, Shinzala Soba, and then Yube, Lobotope, Sambatela, Tene, Shisak Yudi Tese.
And so the people that this is being taught to are such people who have shameless thoughts in their mind. They have no embarrassment. They do not recognize their faults as being faults, and they do not really understand the Dharma. This is ignorance. And then in addition to ignorance, they also have pride and envy. They have a lot of attachment to sensory pleasures and so forth. So these are wrong intentions. So these are the sort of people for whom this Dharma is in particular being taught. And so I'm giving advice as a remedy. So here there's the remedy, the wish to provide a remedy is the wish of bodhicitta, of loving kindness, compassion. This is something pointing out your faults so that you're able to distinguish the faults from the qualities. And so this is the intention to point these out.
Nimbu sem tege, rangi kyungi sem tala, kachasi, chunishin teme, taate yabu mare, pango re, di kyungi de re, pe dungalki gyu re, sangye tempa tang galwa re sine, tene chunishin debi yin sungare.
And so I am giving this advice, saying, looking at your own mind, saying, that is something you must give up. That is a fault. That is a cause of suffering. This is something that is exclusive or goes against the teachings of the Buddha. And so this is saying, if I give you this advice, then this will help you for long, for this lifetime and for many future lifetimes. It'll provide the antidote for these faults, so you should listen. And so this is given as an exclamation. In Tibetan, all of these verses ends with the word ang, so it's like an instruction or an exhortation.
처음에 중심 마답나 연바키라 고안에 대한 수하모고 생각해라 가봐하고 그런데 와라 답도 하모고 그 생각나기 되니 유명쟁게 남도게 교인대 하마고 와라 창설봐 랑랑라 하마고 현재다 가봐하고 대야로네 중심제 야 동네제 서울로 배샤비게 자라야 동샤보나히 중심제 달라 되네 네 교인저봐 되네 중심 마담나.
And so it continues, if I do not expose your faults, so as these faults are faults that you don't even know yourself, if you don't know the fault, these are faults that you are not aware of in yourself, the thoughts of afflictions and so forth. And if you do not know them yourself, then how can anyone else know them either? And so I'm exposing them. It's like digging up something that's hidden underground. And so I'm giving giving this advice, in giving this advice, I'm exposing the faults.
당아 왕게 교인데 라 교인주 미시켄게 레바 쮸라 아스랑게 교인주라 랑 교인 거란가 라 교인바 미시바 람바 쮸라 제가 교인바 하고 말해 교인바 하고 이게 민두세 교인바 하고 민두 대인도 하는 거 야 또이네 나도 쮸 하고 민두 대용가 되네 처음에 주의 마담 나초라 티 고해가 담는 도송래 엠바초라 랑게 중 뭐 하고 해가 고 시락 민도송래.
And so it says, you will not understand, you dolt. And so a dolt, or a dummy here, a dolt means someone who doesn't know their own faults. They're unaware that their faults are faults. And so because of not knowing that their faults are faults, they're like dummies or like dolts. You do not know your own faults. And so if I do not expose your faults, you will not understand them. And so for that reason, if I do not expose your faults, you will not understand, you dolt. It's like if I do not point them out to you, you will have no understanding, or you will not have any prajna about them.
참배 당화 망해나 매매내서 동로 안세 다들한 주연대바 대양 참바 대화당 된두로라 참바서 봐 대화 좀 버지비게 님부 섬들라 참바 다들의 주연대 대대나 되네 제가 망보라 동양국으로 대 동양기 교래 대매바서 이게 제도 되네 매바에네 도토리가 통달라지 다섬게 좀 되네 차도 다 나자라서 버티게 대화전 톱주고 말해 제가 망보라 대화 톱주고 말해 다 대화 톱주고 제발 님부 참배 당마한테 년고래 해서 대 안개랑라 많이 나.
And so I'm giving advice as a remedy. If you don't listen to loving advice, you'll just get worse and worse. And so giving this advice, it's life's advice with loving kindness. And so the loving kindness, the love, is the wish that you achieve happiness and its causes. So this is what we mean by love or loving advice. And the reason is that if you have faults, then for many lifetimes you will experience suffering because you have the causes for these faults. And so in order to eliminate these faults, in order to eliminate them or bring you to happiness, I'm giving the advice. So this, if you have the faults of envy and pride and so forth, then you will not experience happiness for many different lifetimes. So I'm explaining you the remedies for these faults. So you must listen to them. Now, if you do not listen to these, to this advice,
만약에 멘베 내에서 동안 멘베 내 야와도 정조라 속에 내에서 제와지마 동도 그래 동도 엉송
And so if you do not listen to this advice, you'll just get worse and worse, or you'll fall down to lower places. You will, in the next lifetimes, you will take rebirth in the hells or as an animal, falling into lower realms.
대다 그 때는 랑게 경그 땡도 랑게 시급의 줄 랑게 경그 땡도 나랑게 님부 계획선지 되네 저 땀나 나 되네 대라 팽이여 봐 수술대 시에네 도마게 와 주발에
And so in this way, when you look at your own faults, and so this teaching about the manner and to understand our own faults, and the advice about the remedies for these and antidotes for this, and the benefits for listening to it, all of this is giving advice in the form of the virtue in the beginning.
나는 다 버도 개와 다한테네마 고소 그래.
Then following this, there begins the virtue in the middle.
다저를 컴 노아를 주게 생전 탐제 코아나 코에 값소 가시게 개와 중세 싸네. 되네 하다 매일 유튜브네. 롱주 자천보 예바당, 깨자천보 예바당, 되네 소상 예발라서 봐 둘이기 대화라 롱중에 요래.
Now, as sentient beings cycle through the 6 realms of samsara, they occasionally do some slight bits of virtue, because of which they take birth as gods and humans. And then they experience all of the great pleasures. They might experience a good name or have a fine body.
전에 예를 들면 다 뭐한게 성격이 맞아다 초도로서 봐 얘는 뭐한게 대화도 한게 매봐서 파지를 매봐서 그래.
But if we do not recognize the faults within our own minds, the pride and the envy and so forth, then we will basically just destroy our own happiness.
다양한 강연 소리에서는 대내배 한미 유튜브에다 배랑 지부지래 뭐뭐 왕중계 농주 전부 인데 전부지래 대내 뒤에도 생분하고 경되게 생각하라 니레제 가시라 차우도제 생각이 대화다 내가서 봐 내가서 탑제 근데 제도 랑게 개인 저부터 색깔서 랑게 내가서
And so how do we do this? Well, when we're born as gods, as humans, sometimes we end up with a really handsome or impressive body. We might have a lot of power. And then not recognizing the faults in our own minds, we criticize and we denigrate other people. We do things to bring them down. We engage in activities to ruin their own happiness and enjoyments. And in doing this, we're just destroying our own happiness. There are many stories of how this happens in the Jataka tales, the stories of the Buddha's previous births, and if you read these, you will know. This is also taught very clearly in the way of the Bodhisattva. So though they want where it says, though they want happiness, they destroy their own happiness as a foe.
저 뒷바사 뒷빈들 동안냥 다 미를 된다 보이나 동안 망보냐나 다 이게 동안에 내려서 동안아 뒷바사 뒷바사 뺀도 네 뒷반 동안 내려서 동안야 제가 뺀도요 대공부 동안 중 대공부 동안 중에 제자라 세상에 도달아 소소로 쏘고 마신걸로 제 동안 다고 인답 숨답 신답 장답 동답 야빠샤.
And so we do misdeeds, and because of the misdeeds we've done, we experience the result of suffering. And then when wanting to alleviate the results of that, we do even more misdeeds. And we do more misdeeds. So we might feel we're destroying our own happiness through this. We feel hunger and thirst, and because we feel hunger and thirst, then we do misdeeds, such as killing or stealing and so forth, and then we're just multiplying our misdeeds. We're multiplying them 2, 3, or hundreds or thousands of times.
저는 둘러야 되는 거가 좀 뒷바사 대기를 보고 둘러야지 둘러 동안 연구 동안냥 연구 동안냥 신도 양 소저 바탕테네 추발아서베 미개와 망보사 되니야 야와지마 대내 도저지 야와는 도와야 지기로 그래.
We can also see with this with animals. In a previous lifetime, they have committed misdeeds, and as a result of this, they're born as animals. And while they're animals, in addition to experiencing the suffering of being an animal, they also kill each other, they get involved in fights, and they do many unvirtuous activities, due to which they, in future lifetimes, fall to an even worse place.
대다고야 상제기 깨랍나 힘으로 오나 전라리로 줄만 무슨 요래.
And the tales of the Buddha's previous lives, the Jataka tales, tell many stories about this that explain it in great detail.
대다고 전tam지 뒤바디 동동도 생이죠. 동동이랑 뭐 juk 생이들이.
And so the essence of this is the lines from the way the Bodhisattvas that says, though they want happiness, they rush towards suffering itself.
나야. 다 들어서는 게 동성이래. 주제 다대 동물그 문제 내내제게래. 나의 담 자의 담 대내 배만보라라 카당와담 대내 노바자와라 소바 담지 쩌마마 랑게 내내 버제발래 중화래지.
And so this is something we need to think about. As it says in the next verse, your present sufferings all occur because of the wrongs you've done in your past lives. And so all the different pains and difficulties, when people criticize us, when people harm us, all of these happen because of the mistakes and the misdeeds we have done in previous lives.
다 도망데 왕게라니 냥고바라니 게체도 세바레 삼네 두센삼 세바곰스 말이.
And so this suffering is something that we've made for ourselves, and so we have to prepare to bear the hardship. We have to bear the hardship ourselves.
현이라 유소 마세 안세 나에게 동안데 시다지게 말아 그 말아 세바레 삼반다다. 루진 심진다고 있나? semitabu ina chikin juan so ko ten dang ala ni chung ala ngaram da kibo chen de ye de chikin juan no zo ngala mo je ba le sam ba da da ten de so la yang sem chen dang sem so la yang yu su ma se ang.
And so the last line of the stanza says, do not take the moral high ground. And this is thinking to yourself that the other people did it to me, they did it to me, thinking that it's not an that it's an external condition, that it came from the external elements of earth, water, fire, and so forth, or from another person, whether it's someone, a person who has a mind, a sentient being, or whether it's the external elements which do not have a mind. It's not thinking that it's that I'm not at fault, but others are.
나 대다고 삼모 되나 소모는 신가 삼모 땅나 안게 두나이데 네 아파 주부 땅 두그래.
And so if we think about it instead in the manner taught here, then we will be able to decrease our suffering.
대조양 응알매바 싸우도 소도 그래.
And so we can eliminate the causes of suffering.
올라서 다들 주주 그 주주 제가 신사송
And so that completes our time for today.
내가 다다다 전문인 게 작업 망보라 노로스 기름네 로라 사와 기름네 휴선 망보 레베요레.
Now these days, in many different countries of the world, there are new illnesses that are appearing.
다대양 영감아바게 천년의 때에 까지 모람 대행나라 되는 상부주배 모람다 정주신부 주배 모람데 티버진부 모람남바 니지권에 대나라다 내려 동아시에 도망부 송요래 탐제게 되라 상무당에
And so here, as part of the activity of the Gyawan Karmapa, during the Kajumumam, we recite the noble aspiration for excellent conduct and other great Mahayana aspirations as a method to eliminate this sort of suffering. So please, everyone, think of this as you recite the aspiration prayers.
더 말하면서 특별정보박에 심지어 탐지를 상담하나 무슨 제일이지 말이 자다 지구도 달아서 발랑 네 되게 거기 동안 양계 유지 다가면서 하고요 말이.
And as Mahayana practitioners, it's not we should think about all sentient beings, not just humans, but there are also many new diseases among the animals, such as birds and insects and other animals.
네, 대만이란 무마인백에 대한 장사라 되네 하라서 봤다. 동사라 대라서 봐라 내한포니 되네 동안형에 소리 유지를 지금이라 남다나라 되네 하 불라 하서만 자서부터 만보여래 동사라 미긴 다그 내한포니 동안형에 소리 쏘면 지금이라 그때 내세 그 탑나 두개만 제가 로주 지금이라 남다나라 여래 되네 등상 로 유지래 동사라 사무 땅고래.
In addition, there are also diseases that might be caused by non-human beings, such as gods and spirits and demons and so forth. This is as described in the life story of Milarepa, where he talks about how in Tibet there are many gods and local deities, and how sometimes they would cause diseases and contagions. And he taught methods to eliminate them. And so this is also something we need to keep in mind.
내니 대담도 맞아봐 다리 오스자야 나라 내니 매인지 과신부 중에 내니 민의양 중요하라 의사 심재망보 되니 책임이 시선도 되니 법원부서 전화만 하고 말에 동아양에 세요하래.
Also, recently in Australia, there were all the bushfires, and not only did these cause great problems for humans, there were also hundreds upon hundreds of thousands of animals who were probably killed. We do not know how many people were killed.
동네 담색에 끼는데 다 먼저 민남지 되네 매 가시가 다 디바찌기요래. 총와서 보통다라. 총와서 보통다라 디바상게 망보요래. 동서 사과할 때는 중앙에 된 동서 빵거 말이.
And all of these faults are just like it is for among our humans. Like many humans commit misdeeds. For example, people do misdeeds for the sake of business, and there are many people who do this. And so it is important that we give these up in order to be able to eliminate the sufferings.
동양상세계 결합만을 송원하신 랑기 소의 제도 선전시행의 누라 내자와 대 내중의 주인 송을와 심정의 내중의 주.
And it is as the Buddha taught by the Bhagavan Buddha in his life stories, in the Jataka tales, where he said that that the cause of illness, or excuse me, where he said that harming other sentient beings to sustain your own body is a cause of illness.
다에 대삼제라 다 나랑 게티네 다 접근 깨졌다고 이런 조금 도구들 다 삼제라 내가 동안 좀저남 자기 방법 마세로 포바 방법 마세로 냐 방법 마세로 수주인 너 자대 hen 마우세도 파바 마우세도 냐 마우세도 그냥 마세로 점유력이 밑함제라 자대 방법 마세로 파바 방법 마세 냐 방법 마세로
Okay, so this is, and so it's like as my own prayer to pacify all of these, this is my own request is, do not kill so many chickens, do not kill so many pigs, do not kill so many fish.
뭐야 그거 마시죠. 다 주투수 회사서 대가로지 도배 이게 회사와 남가다는 뭐 sem전 담절로 뭐는 지제인데 봐르쇼.
And so this is the end of our time. So now please dedicate all of the virtue of teaching and listening to these for the sake of all sentient beings.